Here's another DeVille. Let's see what year it is. This one looks, interior-wise, looks really nice. Yeah, these came with the V8 Northstar engine. And they're kind of hard. You don't see them on the road as much. Wow, the back and seats look practically really brand new. Look at that, look good. Look really, really great. It's a 2003 Cadillac DeVille. It's a Cadillac 2003. Seats look great. There's the Northstar engine. Looks like they cracked the cover. Yeah, again, how do you, like if you worked on this, how do you actually change the water pump and the alternator? I mean, you might have to drop the engine. I guess someone could comment in there and let me know. I mean, these cars are probably very difficult to work in, you know. I know these weren't the best engines.